Hello there, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to create many circles. As you can see on the screen, there are 1000 circles in this AutoCAD drawing, 1000, and each having radius 10 centimeters added up, and this is having 10 centimeter radius, and this is 20, this is 30, and it goes on. And it's the tutorial for today. So let's get started. So I'm gonna delete all the circle except one. I'm gonna delete all of them except one, and this is our starting circle. Now, one method of doing that is to use the offset command, offset, and specify the distance 10, and select the object, and you can proceed. That's it. So one circle we got, one more we got. We have to press circle each the time. So that's one method. That it's not practical for 10,000 circles. So another method, the same command, offset, and enter the distance. Offset distance 10 centimeters, select the object, and in this stage, before pressing enter, you have to enter M for multiple. Now, okay, that's it. Now you have to click outside that circle, and you can click multiple times so that each circle is created. This is much better than the previous method. So that's another method. Now you're going to click 1000 times so that you're going to get 1001 circles, right? So that's one method. It is also not practical in this case. So that's another method. Okay. Now that's also not practical for many circles, and you might be thinking, why we are creating these many circles? That's another question, but here I want to discuss this method basically. So here we are going to be using pyautocad, a Python library in Visual Studio Code, and we are going to execute this code. We are going to run this code so that the drawing is generated in the AutoCAD. Alright, so let's run the program and wait so that we get the output here. Wow, it's generating circles. I think it's created 1000. Okay, this is how we do it. We have a program here, we run the program, we get the output. So this is a library called pyautocad, and it is somewhat a scripting method, scripting in Python for AutoCAD. We can automate many repetitive tasks using this method. So we can discuss the program here. The Python program here, we import the library, and from this package we import AutoCAD and a point for a point, and we make the instance of our AutoCAD software. So we are providing true for if it is not open, the AutoCAD software is not opened, it will launch a new instance, and that's it. So this variable hold that AutoCAD object. So here this code is for adding a line to that drawing. So we don't want that actually. So we can see there's a line created. This is it. So we don't want that. Okay. Now here we put a variable for how many circles we want, and we are prompting. We are starting drawing. This is like logging in programming, and here we start our for loop, and in for loop we put the range of 1000, and it iterates each number. So we get 0, 1, like that, up to 999, in this loop. So we use that variable here. We add 1. So 1 on the first iteration, 1 multiplied by 10. We take the 10 as a radius, and this is a add circle method, and we specify the center point and we specify the radius. That's it. And we run the program. It is going to generate circles for you. So that's simple. It's very interesting. If you are if you know some basics programming and you are using AutoCAD, then definitely this is a must try. And that's it for today's video, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.